Today we're going to be
drawing one of our Crafty Kidzers named Polka Dot.
That's right, about a year ago, I don't know if it was quite that long, but a while back, we drew our very first Crazy Kidzer. We had this idea to just come up with these characters, as creative as we wanted to be, and so we came up with all these ideas. And the first one we did was our original. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. Today we're going to be drawing Polka Dot, and that's the second one we've ever drawn, and we are so excited to use these new markers. So come along with us and join in.
Yeah.
You ready to get started?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
All right, look at these markers all lined up.
They look so
It
good.
looks so good. We have not even tried them yet. We're about to try them for the first time today, and we're going to do that by drawing our Crafty Kidzer. We have only drawn one so far, but we're going to draw a second one. And this one's called Polka Dot.
Yep.
So, here goes nothing. The body of this character is very fuzzy, furry or fuzzy.
Yeah.
So it's not always going to take the same shape. So if Maddie's is a little bit different than mine, it doesn't matter. If yours at home is different, it doesn't also matter. Okay, so here we go. We're going to just draw that fuzzy body. It's going to have an ear here, also fuzzy. Another ear over here. And this is all kind of one line that you're making. It's all very fuzzy-ish. And again, it does not have to look exactly like this. What do you think?
I like it.
I like it. I like them both. And again, like I mentioned before, we're not trying to be the same, which is kind of the cool part about these Crafty Kidzers. So think of it as this like a stuffy.
Yeah, like a stuffed animal.
Yeah, like a stuffed animal. It's squishy, and these are too. So now we're gonna put some feet on, and the feet are just simply. It's almost like an upside down heart shape. Let's check this out. One foot comes out like this, the other foot comes out like this, and it just goes back in. Do these have to be perfect, Maddie?
No.
No, at Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for
Fun.
fun. That's right. And if you want to make small adjustments, especially with this part, it's black, so you can adjust it a little bit later.
Yeah.
Okay, next is the eyes. We're gonna put in 2 big eyes. Some of these Crafty Kidzers have 1 eye, some have 2. Who knows? Some of them might, we haven't drawn them all yet, so some of them might end up having 3 eyes, 4 eyes, 5 eyes, many eyes.
Mm-hmm.
All right, this one has 2. So we're gonna do a big oval here and a big oval right next to it. All right, great job. Now for the polka dot part. This could be a lot of fun. And again, this is another one of those parts that our polka dots do not have to be the same. We don't want them to be the same.
Yeah.
We're gonna add polka dots in around to the body area, however we see fit, and we're just gonna have some fun with it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll just kind of fast forward this a little bit, but you get the idea. Some of the circles, I'll give you an example before we fast forward. Some of the circles are gonna be running into the side, while other circles, maybe you see the whole circle, the whole polka dot within the body shape.
Mm-hmm.
So just have some fun with it. You can even make a polka dot down here that kind of looks like an open mouth. That's what I'm gonna do.
Mm-hmm.
But then just have some fun with it. What do you think?
I like it.
I'm pretty satisfied as well. So now is the part that we have been waiting for.
Wait, no, not yet. We have to do the pupils.
Oh yes, we do have to do the pupils. Okay, so I think that we're just gonna go with smaller ovals inside of here. Just one here and one here. I did not draw mine the same size. I can adjust those by thickening, and everything's gonna look awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. So I think the first thing is we're really looking forward to coloring with these markers. We have not used them yet, so we're waiting for that very first color to see how it goes. But before we do, I think we should thicken.
Yeah, we should color the pupils in and this one.
Cool. Yeah, that's right. The pupils are black, so we can adjust those as well. So let's do that. We'll fast forward that a bit, and then we'll get into some coloring.
Yeah.
job. All right, so now we've reached the moment we've been waiting for.
Yes.
So we're gonna show you just how good these markers are, and we're fingers crossed we're gonna love them.
Yeah.
These characters do not all need to be the same. I'm just gonna go for bright colors myself. All right, I'm gonna choose this one. And which one are you using, Maddie, again?
I'm just gonna go for this one.
This one's called Fresh Blue. What's yours called?
This one's called Rose Pink.
Rose Pink. All right, here we go. Choose this one. Ooh, very smooth. They seem to be like the Prismacolors in that if you go over it more than once, you got to do the whole thing more than once. So it's just about finding a balance. All right, so now that we've seen how they draw, and we think they're really good,
Yeah.
we're gonna fast forward the rest and show you what it looks like when we're done.
Yep. One, two, three.
Polka Dot! So these are our Crafty Kidzers, the second ones we've ever done. These cool ones are called Polka Dot. So this character is Polka Dot.
Yep.
Yeah. What do you think of the new markers?
I think they're really nice.
I think they are too. I think they're smooth. They cover well. You do have to be aware of how many times you've gone over a certain area because it will get darker, but lots of fun. Hey buddy. Lots of fun. So we're really excited about these markers, so stay tuned. We've got more for you.
Yeah, I think they're I think the Prismacolors were okay. I think we bought a pack that was already used though. I think we got
Seems like we might have picked up a pack that wasn't quite legit. So,
Yeah.
because that Prismacolor has a great reputation. So
Yeah, it does.
these are super cool. We got them from the store of I can't pronounce this very well, but
Yeah.
Owuhu, I think it's called. The Owuhu store.
Yeah.
So these are legit. And we're super excited to not have to struggle with our marker situation.
Yeah, I bet if we got a real Prismacolor pack, it would have lasted longer.
Yeah, it would probably be very similar. But anyways, until we see you next time,
Keep
keep drawing, stay awesome, bye!